Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are curling the mullet. Yes we are, this is gonna be my first time curling my hair. If you missed my 12-month hair update video, in that video I straightened my hair for the very first time in a whole year. So go check that out if you missed that. But today is Thanksgiving and I want to do something special with my hair, so we're gonna curl it. So if you want to see, then just keep on watching. I'm here at my parents' house in their guest bathroom right now, and I have maybe like 2-day-old hair. I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, and I have my flat iron here. This is what I'm going to use to curl my hair, and a hair tie. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to section my hair, and whenever, okay, let me just straighten it first. But usually whenever I curled my hair like in the past, whenever I would do this style, I don't curl every strand of hair. I just like kind of messy curls. Let me bump up this heat to 410. So I'll just take little 1-inch sections, clamp it down, and then twist and drag it down. See? Like that. So I just do those kind of randomly throughout my hair. Again, I don't curl every piece. I've just never liked how that looked on my hairstyles, or like styling my hair. I've never liked it like that. So we twist and drag it down the hair, and then we get something like that. See? Clamp down, twist, and then drag. And then let me just, I can't see the back, so I'm just gonna grab 1 or 2 pieces back here and do the same thing, just kind of hope for the best. Something like that. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next section. I'll probably do a total of 4 sections in my hair today. I'll straighten some of them first before. Okay. Clamp, twist, and drag. This is one of the reasons why I would really like to get some color in my hair, because with my dark hair you literally can't see, like, you can't see any details because it all is so dark and it just blends together. You can see that though, right? Twist and pull down. Here's what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna leave in the cards or linked below other tutorials I've done in the past where I've shared this technique a little more in detail. Well, my hair is definitely gonna have a lot of volume because of all of the choppy layers that my hair has. I have no idea what the back is looking like. And last but not least, this final section. I think when I do this hairstyle, the bottom sections I don't focus as much on, but the top sections I definitely do, because that's the part that's like actually showing the most. Something like that. What do you guys think? Check out how wild this is. Okay, it looks like so messy and crazy, but we'll just go with it. So here's what the hair looks like. I have no idea how the back looks. I don't know. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Happy Thanksgiving!